How to activate your Lloyds Bank credit card. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can actually activate your Lloyds Bank credit card, so make sure to watch this video till the end. If you want to activate your Lloyds Bank credit card, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all go to lloydsbank.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you go to lloydsbank.com, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you need to just click the product and services section that you can find here. Go to this credit card option. Once you hover your mouse over credit card, on the right hand side you'll find this option known as activate your credit card, and that's where we want to click on. Once it comes to activate your credit card, there are basically three ways to activate it. One is you can activate via the app. If you have the app, click the apply button within the app, click on credit cards, check card details, and then your account will be activated. Otherwise, what you can do is just go to activate your credit card online, and then here you'll see this link. Just click on activate your credit card. It will take you to this page where you can simply enter your credit card number over here. Make sure to enter your date of birth properly. Once you enter the date of birth, make sure to enter the expiry date of the credit card and then click on activate button. And if your details are correct, your credit card will be successfully activated. This way you can activate your Lloyds Bank credit card. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.